we are here to celebrate. This morning is a morning of celebration of your achievements, your family's achievements, your parents' achievements, and of course, the university's achievements. Graduation, ladies and gentlemen, is a very special time in everyone's life. I remember my graduation, and I'm sure everybody sitting here remembers their graduation. It's a very, very exciting time. It's a step towards a new journey in your life, in your careers. So enjoy it. And after COVID and all the disturbances of the past years, being able to have the actual ceremony again in physical presence is actually makes your engagement, the cohort of 2022, your graduation very special. You are the lucky batch. And let me say this as a parent. For every parent, when a child is born, this is the day we look forward to. This is the day we look forward to, and many parents work day and night, sacrifice a lot of their time, resources, to get their child the best of everything, especially education. So kudos to all the parents who dreamt of this day, and your children have fulfilled your dreams. And some of you have compromised your sleep, your retirement funds, your finances, to ensure that your children get the best of the education that they deserve. I cannot explain how happy I am to look around and see smiles on everyone's faces, smiles of achievement, smiles of pride, and smiles of joy. It is truly a celebration that we're having today in every sense of the word celebration. I say this often, education is the most important and the smartest investment of all, because I believe in that. Education is a means of achieving a world of peace, justice, freedom, and equality for all. Thus, education is an extreme necessity for all of us. No good life is possible without education. What does education do? It endorses the intelligence of human beings, develops skills, and enables us to be industrious. And the most important, it is the pathway to breaking the toxic cycle within our societies, whether it's gender-based violence, poverty, discrimination, or any form of inequalities. I'm proud to say that over the years, the Fijian government has highlighted its key priorities in education through various initiatives and support available to all Fijians, regardless of where you are, regardless of who you are, I mean all Fijians. Through this assistance, Fijians have been able to access quality education at various levels of education, technical, vocational training, and to higher education courses in degree, postgraduate, master's, and PhD levels. We believe, and I strongly believe, that having an educated society will contribute greater to the economic and social development of our beloved nation. This investment in Fijians and in our children is for the benefit of a vibrant Fiji today and, of course, for a vibrant, even more vibrant Fiji tomorrow. Ladies and gentlemen, the Fijian government's commitment to education is demonstrated in its annual commitment of about 20% of its total budget to education, over 700 million annually. Over the past 5 years, we have invested hugely in operating grants and approximately 50 million as capital grants into FNU. Each year, over half the total of scholarships, loans, and all TVET students supported by government go to FNU. Over the past 5 years, we have supported 38,748 students studying at FNU, investing approximately $170 million. This is our national university, and this is our pride. We want to ensure that we continue to support its growth and stature to become the leading university in our region. That's a dream we have, to become the leading university in our region. It has come a long way since its inception some 12 years ago. It has a long way to go, and I want to assure you all that our government will continue to support our national university. Dear students, when a student graduates, a family graduates, a community graduates, and the nation also graduates to another level of advancement as part of our knowledge-based society. The men and women graduating today will play a crucial role in shaping a Fiji that is sustainable, resilient, innovative, and forward-looking in our policies and practice. So you have a very important role to play in the future of our nation. Do your part. I'm pleased to note that this year the Fiji National University will graduate 896 females and 839 male graduates. See, the females, you surpass the male graduates over the 3 graduation ceremonies. Now this means that a total of 1,700 new graduates will join our workforces and contribute to various skills, expertise, and knowledge in their respective fields. And more importantly, I commend you graduates as I note that a higher number of females will be graduating today. It makes me always happy when you see women sort of progressing. Government has always emphasized the need for equality in all areas of workforce and society to provide a level playing field where our men and women can equally participate in leadership and decision-making roles. I hope to see these women graduates get equal opportunities in the workforce as their counterparts. I want the same trends to be displayed when we look at the number of women in leadership roles. And having said that, I call upon all employers across the country to ensure an equitable work environment for all our women and encourage all women graduates here to know how worthy you are. Never ever undermine yourself. Never ever underestimate yourself. Identify opportunities and take up challenges. You are just as skilled, talented, and knowledgeable as your male counterparts, and don't you ever doubt that. Of course, the same applies to the males who are graduating today. Otherwise, you'll accuse me of being very gender biased. This leads me to the fact that female graduates and current and prospective students can look to the university's leadership team itself for inspiration, as it consists of women in key positions, such as the Chancellor, the Deputy Chancellor, Vice Chancellor, the Pro-Vice Chancellor, Learning and Teaching. Congratulations, FNU. You've set the path forward for your graduates. The presence of female leaders in any organization, including our parliaments, serves as a motivation to others, and it is thus very essential in the professional progression of our women in any career of their choice. This also emphasizes the capability of women leaders in making crucial decisions for their respective organizations and its employees. To our graduates from the College of Medicine, Nursing and Health Sciences, and College of Humanities and Education, I would like to challenge you all to serve your country diligently, and as you become ambassadors and alumni of Fiji National University. Very soon we'll be celebrating Fiji Day. And as patriotic citizens of this nation, I ask you to do your part for the betterment of our nation, for the progress of our nation. The famous saying, ask not what the country can do for you, but what you can do for you. So the future of Fiji looks upon your expertise, your knowledge, and your contributions for a more progressive way forward. As you leave the confines of your student life and campus experience, you are carrying with you the expectations set out by the university, as well as the hopes of your industry and the nation. Never be afraid to speak up and contribute your ideas and innovations to enhancing progress and strategic objective. Never be afraid. Your voices will be heard. You have to make your voices heard, so speak up. I believe we also have a number of regional students who are graduating today, especially from the College of Medicine. I'd like to remind you that you are a key member of the medical fraternity, and your service matters to the people of your country, as you play an important part in shaping our Pacific Islands health systems. In addition, I'd like to remind all the graduates in the field of teaching, and the future of our children is in your hand. I come from the teaching fraternity. What you teach your children within the confines of your classroom, the responsibilities that you are given as an educator, as a mentor, goes a long way. I mean, I stand here paying respect to my mother and all the teachers who have helped shape my life. And I'm proud to mention here that I have my mentor seated amongst here, very proud, Dr. Bamba. You have shaped my academic career, and I pay my respects to you. So, only a teacher can give a country its doctors, engineers, scientists, economists, accountants, journalists, tradespeople and entrepreneurs to the nature and development from a young age. How you deal with your students, to all the teachers here, is very important. How you mold them is very important, because students look up to the teachers more than their parents. They spend a lot of time with you, and everything that is taught within the confines of your classroom shapes a child's behavior, and that is very important. You must be aware and understand the importance of your roles as teachers, as doctors, as nurses, as expected to play in your societies, and the responsibilities you are entrusted with. Be honest, be bold, and be very dedicated to your professions. Ladies and gentlemen, Fiji is also recognized worldwide for its leadership and advocacy on the issue of climate change. It is only fitting that FNU is also committed to the achievements of UN Sustainable Goals, SDGs, and to developing cost-effective, scalable solutions aimed at sustainability, resilience, and climate change adaptation. This is in line with the Fiji's National Development Plan, which puts environmental protection, climate change adaptation, and resilience at the heart of the country's vision for a cleaner, greener, and a more sustainable future for our people, not only in Fiji, but in the Pacific and, of course, around the globe. It is encouraging to see that FNU is playing a key role in the fight against climate change. To conclude, ladies and gentlemen and dear graduates, I congratulate all of you, and I wish you all the success in the endeavors, and end with a reminder that in addition to your school's skills and qualifications, you must possess soft skills, being human, such as your leadership. You must lead by example, communicate effectively, play a good role in building teamwork. You must have the problem-solving ability, and of course, the social and intelligence. Thank you. I've already said that. So, have a blast. After this ceremony, I see that something's being organized for you. Enjoy the day, because who knows, tomorrow we might not see this day again. Same people again, your friends will leave. And all in all you have got to be is being a good human. Just be a good human, and things will honestly fall in place for all of you. To all the parents who are out here, thank you very much, Inakavakalevu, for the support that you have given to the students. To the students, it's very important that you yourself acknowledge the support that your friends and parents have given you. So I'll leave you with this word: congratulations, the class of 2022, and this is your day. Please enjoy, and God bless you all. Thank you.